Today I have this easy to scan barcode scanner MT7937. It's a cordless Bluetooth unit, but the problem is we have no charger. It had a dock type thing. You have to put it like that, and this pin is connected with some other pin, and then it will start charging. But now I don't have that charger thing, so I think I have to modify it. Original charging port. I will not destroy this part because I think maybe one day I will manage the charger unit and I can use this again, so I will store it for future. Now what can I do? Here is a 3.7 volt 620 milliamp hour lithium ion battery. So I think this is the original charging cable. Okay, it has 3 cable and I don't know which one is what, positive, negative, and what, I don't know. So I think I will not use this thing. I will put it inside the unit and I will work with this thing only. Okay, at first I'm removing this from main unit, and now I don't need this unit for my modification. Now this is the battery position. Here is some empty space for us. Here is the place where I can install my new charging port. So at first I cut a PCB this size for fit in here. Okay, then a hole in its center for this micro USB charging port. Okay, my plan is I will do something like this. I will attach this port with this board like this. I was trying to install a type C port, but I didn't able to manage that port, and I have only this micro USB port. It's not a problem, it will work too, and no problem if it works. So let's move and see what can we do. Soldering time. Okay, one side done, second side. A lot of solder. I think it is strong enough and it will not fall apart. The port is gone. I cannot insert the charger pin. I think I have to change this port and try another one. No problem. I have another port. Let's see, can I use this without destroying? One side done. See, it is still with us or not. Oh my god. Yes, it is still with us, but it's so hard. It's still working, and we will check if it can provide voltage. Yes, it is still okay. I think it is enough. It is more than enough. Let's see if it is still okay. I can still insert the charger pin, and now see what about the voltage. Okay, 5 volt. So mission successful, you can say. Then next step is to install it here without destroying anything, and then I will install a charger module inside here. Here is a charging module for this battery. I will install this module in here. Our charging port will be in this position. Then I will make some soldering. Here will be our battery. That's it. I think it will be okay. Let's see. Now I will use some masking tape in it for beautification. Okay, now need some fire. Oh, it's failed. Tube turned. Oh my. Once again. Fire is dangerous. Hot air gun is best for this type of work, but I have not a hot air gun station, so I am still using fire. That is dangerous, and of course I'll buy one if my channel will get rich and if you give me monetization. Okay, it will sit in here like this. Okay, now I have to make some operation here. I use soldering iron because sometimes when we use this razor blade or cutting pliers, then with the insulation, not only the insulation but wire can be cut down. So this is important to not cut the wire. Okay, I'll use this for connection. Black for negative, red for positive, but it doesn't matter if it's you don't follow the color. Okay, now positive to positive and negative, insulate them using heat shrink. Okay, so Now our battery is ready. I attached two wire with this original battery wire, so we will send voltage from our charger module, and I attached two wire with our USB port which will insert in here. Now let's do some soldering. Battery minus and plus battery minus. Okay, first we have to add some soldering here. Okay, now battery minus, battery plus, then input minus plus, positive input and negative input. Now see battery is charging or not. Yes, it's charging. Now assembling. Insert the charger port in here. This is hard to insert because it is oversized. Done. I have to make a hole in here so we can see the battery indicator from outside. Now it's time to assembling our whole set. Here's our barcode connected. Let's see if it's working or not. See, everything is okay. Okay, it's working. So now it's time to assembling it. Battery here, then our charging module is here, then our USB port. Okay, and maybe I have to use some adhesive so our modified port can stay in right place. Oh no. Okay, I removed the heat shrink from this board because the charger indicator is inside here, so I can see the charger indicator through this hole. And now it's time to put this. I make this rubber washer so I can screw it here, because you see the original charger board, it has some extra part in here that is fit inside the screw hole. Now I screw this on side. In this side, this board is attached with this screw with washer, and the another side I use this rubber washer and a metal washer too with this hook type of thing, so it can hold our PCB in place. Now it's okay. Now it's fit finally, and you see here is a red LED you see through the board. That means now the battery is charging, and after the battery charge full, and this color will be blue, and I will remove this charger. Yes, that's it, and now it is ready to work again. Is it scan barcode with modified charging port? Yeah, it's working. Nice. Finally the port is look like this. I'm happy today. This one is connected to my phone, and see, this is a notepad. Yeah, it's working. It's working. Yes, it's working. It's working. What? Thank you for your time.